Hi! In front of me is Sony Xperia 10V, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. You need to begin by opening Settings and clicking on Notifications. After that, select App Settings, tap on Most Recent and click on the best option for you, in my case Most Frequent. Finally, just tap on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you don't want to receive notifications, like Google. You can switch them back on by selecting the same, now grey switcher. If you want to, you can also just click on one of your apps located on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!